Hello. Kelly asked me to record this because some of you got behind on Friday when we were talking about it. So we're going to do our plate boundaries. What you need to have is this document, which is your plate boundaries and collisions open. And then you should have your document for your specific earthquake region. Now, how you're going to do this is, okay, first you're in your region. So I'm going to use Anya's, which was Southwest 600 to 750. Now, the next thing you want to do is sort the data. So you go to the spreadsheet, you highlight from K to A, you go to data, sort range, and you select header rows. Now you're wanting to do latitude first, so you're going to sort by latitude. And there it goes, boom. And then your lowest latitude is negative 50.92. Your highest is negative 7.62. And that's what we have written right here. Now the next one you want to do is longitude. So you do the same exact thing. You go to the spreadsheet. You select the spreadsheet. You select data, sort range, header row, longitude this time, and sort. Now we go to the very top again, and we start at negative 75.06 on longitude and negative 69.41. And right there it is. Maybe throw a parentheses around that. And that's pretty straightforward for this one, I think. Now the next one gets a little bit more interesting. Here. Parentheses around it so it just makes it a little bit clearer. Nearest continent to where your earthquakes occurred. Now you're going to return to the spreadsheet and then look at the map you generated, which should be on here. If you don't have the map, you need to redo the map. First thing you want to do is go here, select, and you want to do all the sort stuff here again. So you get latitude, and then you get longitude, and then you get date, depth, sorry, and then you get magnitude. Let's get my face out of the way over here in magnitude. And then you remove everything from here down. Notice I'm removing everything except for latitude, longitude, depth, and magnitude. You only need one of each of those, so make sure you don't have two. And now, make sure you got used header rows, latitude, longitude, depth, and magnitude. You go to the top, go down to this, you map it. You'll notice they're down here in South America. If you want to make it a little bit better, you can go Geo, World, South America. Let's make the continent pop out of there and make that a bright blue. Boom, there it is. Or maybe a bright green. Or maybe a dull purple. All right, so there it is. That's your map. This one, obviously, the nearest continent would be South America. So you'd write in South America. So here I'd write South America. Now the next part of this is plate boundary type. What you want to do is go back to your spreadsheet. This time you're going to do another sort, data, sort range. Actually, you don't even need to do that. Let's do this. Let's go down here to explore. Now we're going to look for region with the most earthquakes. Right there it is. This one happens to have it. If you have to do a sort, you can sort in top. So top 5 regions would give it to you. So let's do that just because. Top 5 regions. And we get that chart, and there it is. Boom. Insert chart. Offshore Atacama. So what you're going to look for now is you go to the Google search. offshore Atacama plate boundary. Enter. Search. So right here it tells you what it is. It marks the plate boundary between subducting Nazca Plate and the South America Plate, where the ocean crust and the lithosphere, or the continental crust, collide. So you have an oceanic to continental plate boundary in subduction. Now, you go back to this. Oceanic to continental plate boundary in subduction. Now, you can go to my videos and look that up, or you could go look up oceanic to continental plate boundary subduction. And look for images. Right there is an image of it. And then you just draw that and you put it in. That's pretty much all you got to do. Now, I'm going to cheat and not draw it. I'm just going to take a picture of it. Copy image. Go over here. Now, I want you to draw it. I don't want a picture. That's what it would look like. And then what you're going to do now is read about your plate boundary a little bit and write a paragraph about it. And that is all you have to do for this project. It took me less than 8 minutes to do that much of it. And this last paragraph should take you no more than 15 minutes. Remember to bib it. So you'd go up here and bib it now. MLA, copy citation. Put it down here under works cited. Boom. We're done. And that is your assignment, young ladies and gentlemen. Mr. T, over and out.